This is iPhone 18 Pro Max. If you're currently using an iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max, or even the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you might be wondering, is the iPhone 18 Pro Max really worth the upgrade? Well, according to the latest leaks and reports, Apple could be preparing some major changes for its next flagship, from a completely new camera system to a 2nm chip and Apple's own next-generation modem. Here are 6 reasons why the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be the iPhone you've been waiting for. Reason 1. The new variable aperture camera. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce a variable aperture main camera. Unlike the fixed aperture used on previous iPhones, a variable aperture would allow the camera to physically control how much light enters the lens. That means better control over exposure, low-light photography, and depth of field. And in low-light situations, opening the aperture could allow more light to reach the sensor. This could make the iPhone 18 Pro Max's camera feel much closer to a traditional professional camera, while still keeping Apple's computational photography. And reports suggest the variable aperture could be exclusive to the Pro Max, making it an even bigger reason to choose the most expensive iPhone. Reason 2. The A20 Pro and 2nm technology. Reports suggest the A20 generation could deliver around 15% better performance and up to 30% improved efficiency compared with the previous generation. Moving from a 3nm class process to 2nm allows Apple to fit more transistors into a smaller space while improving power efficiency. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature Apple's new A20 Pro chip, reportedly built using TSMC's 2nm process. That could mean faster gaming, smoother video editing, better AI processing, and potentially longer battery life. Reason 3. A much bigger battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is also expected to come in 2 different variants, just like last year. The eSIM-only version is rumored to feature a massive 5,567 mAh battery, while the physical SIM version could come with a 5,391 mAh battery. And that's a pretty significant upgrade. For comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro Max was reported to have a 5,088 mAh battery in the eSIM version and 4,823 mAh in the physical SIM version. So we're potentially looking at roughly 479 mAh more capacity on the eSIM model and 568 mAh more on the physical SIM model. So if battery life is one of your biggest priorities, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be one of the biggest upgrades yet. And the eSIM version with that 5,567 mAh battery could be the ultimate battery monster. Reason 4. Apple's C2 modem. The 4th reason is something you might not notice immediately, but it could make a huge difference. Apple is reportedly preparing its C2 modem for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. For years, Apple has relied heavily on Qualcomm for iPhone cellular modems, but Apple has been gradually moving toward its own modem technology. The C1 debuted with the iPhone 16e, followed by the C1X, and now the C2 could bring Apple's in-house modem technology to its flagship iPhones. The biggest benefits could include better power efficiency, improved cellular performance, and tighter integration between the modem and Apple's own silicon. And reports also suggest the C2 could bring broader 5G capabilities, including millimeter wave support in the United States. So this might not be the feature you see every day, but it could quietly improve battery life, connectivity, and overall efficiency. Reason 5. Apple Intelligence. The 5th reason is Apple Intelligence, and this could become much more important over the next few years. The A20 Pro's additional processing power and efficiency could give Apple more room to run increasingly advanced AI features directly on the device. We're talking about smarter Siri capabilities, more powerful on-device AI, better image processing, contextual features, and potentially much more advanced generative AI experiences. The important thing here is that Apple Intelligence isn't just a single feature. It's a platform that Apple can continue expanding through future versions of iOS. So if you're buying an iPhone that you plan to keep for several years, having Apple's newest chip could become increasingly important. Reason 6. A smaller dynamic island. And finally, we have something you'll actually notice every time you look at the screen. The dynamic island could finally get smaller. Current reports suggest Apple may move some Face ID components underneath the display, allowing the dynamic island to become significantly narrower. One recent report claims the cutout could be around 35% narrower than the current version. A smaller dynamic island means more usable screen space and a more immersive display experience. So those are 6 reasons why the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be worth upgrading to: a variable aperture camera, the new 2nm A20 Pro chip, a bigger battery, Apple's C2 modem, more powerful Apple Intelligence, and a smaller dynamic island. But the real question is, will these upgrades be enough to make you upgrade from your current iPhone? Let me know in the comments, which one of these 6 features are you most excited about? And if you're waiting for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, make sure you subscribe because I'll be covering all the latest leaks, features, and official announcements.